How to unhide apps on your Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to easily unhide apps on your Android device. If you have hidden some apps from your device and you want to bring them back to your home screen, then follow these steps carefully. You have to note that the settings might be different depending on your Android device. In my case, I'm using a Samsung device, so I'll have to access the home screen settings first. In many cases, in many Android devices, you can just pinch in on your screen to access your hidden apps. But in my case, I'm gonna have to tap on the home screen settings, tap on hide apps on home screen, and then remove all of these hidden apps. Tap on done, and all of these apps will be on my home screen again. So these are the three apps that I've just hidden, and now I can place them on my home screen. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.